Hello world, this is Sugarcoater. In this video, I am going to talk about my experience hanging out at the Gudetama Cafe in Osaka, Japan. Everything from the display in the front of the store to the decal on the walls inside is adorable. Even each food in the menu is inspired by Gudetama, and I was definitely excited to try it out. One of my favorite foods that I got from the Gudetama Cafe is this rice that's shaped like Gudetama with the butt exposed. It's just so funny and cute. So what do you like about Gudetama? Have you eaten any Gudetama related foods before? Let me know in the comments below. And if you are ever in Osaka, Japan, you definitely have to check out this cafe. I hope that you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.